Today we're going to learn how to talk about free time and hobbies in English. We will look at the structure go plus verb-ing, the verb watch, some common phrasal verbs, and how to talk about frequency with expressions like once, twice, and every. Let's start with go plus verb-ing. In English, when we talk about some free time activities, we often use the verb go plus another verb with ing. For example, I go camping, you go swimming, he goes running, she goes dancing. This structure is very common with activities like camp, swim, run, dance. Remember, after go, we use the ing form. For example, we go camping in the summer, they go swimming at the beach, he goes running in the morning, she goes dancing on Saturday night. Now, let's look at spelling. With the verbs swim and run, we double the last letter before adding ing. So we say, swim swimming, run running. For example, you go swimming, he goes running. With the verb dance, we remove the final e and add ing. So, dance dancing, she goes dancing. These small spelling rules are important. Next, let's talk about the verb watch. In the present simple, for he, she, it, we add es. For example, I watch TV, you watch TV, we watch films, they watch a video game. But, he watches TV, she watches a film, it watches something. So remember, third person singular adds es to watch. Now let's learn two useful phrasal verbs. The first one is take up, which means start a new hobby or activity. For example, I take up a hobby, she takes up drawing, he takes up camping. The second one is go out, which means leave the house or go to a bar or party. For example, she goes out every Friday, they go out at the weekend, I go out with my friends. Let's now talk about numeral adverbs, which help us say exactly how often we do something. We say once, one time, twice, two times, three times, four times, five times, and so on. For example, I go on holiday once a year, we go to the beach once a year, he plays football twice a week, she calls her mother once a day, they drink coffee twice a day, I exercise 3 times a week. We use these expressions with time words like a day, a week, a month, a year, an hour. We also use every to talk about repeated actions. For example, he works every day, I go on holiday every year, she has a meeting every Monday, we play video games every weekend. The word every means the action is regular and repeated. Now let's look at some hobby vocabulary. Words include camera, barbecue, beach, festival, camping, campsite, CD player, party, drawing, video game, magazine, MP3 player, picnic, tent, holiday, photograph. We can make sentences like, I take photographs with my camera, we have a barbecue at the campsite, they go camping with a tent. She reads a magazine, he plays a video game, we have a picnic at the beach. So today we learned how to use go plus verb-ing for activities, how to spell swimming, running, dancing, how to use watch/watches, how to use phrasal verbs like take up and go out, and how to express frequency with once, twice, 3 times, every. These structures help you talk about your hobbies and daily activities clearly and correctly in English.